Hey guys, Jamie. Let's see. This is the second part of the build. We're doing the RX-0 Full Armor Unicorn Gundam. Here's the box for it. This is the red version, attack mode or destroy mode. So we're going to be doing the hip or the waist area today. So let's go ahead and get to it. This is going to be pretty quick. So looking at this, let's see. Joints go that way. This way, and one goes in here. Let's see if that's the right one. It might not be the right one, but yeah, that's gonna be the right one. Okay. All right. So now that we've got those parts together, I'm gonna go ahead and put in these small parts here. They go in the corners for the booster jets here. So we have those installed and set. Let's see. I'm going to go and attach this back part now. And let's see. There's two parts that go under here, and I'm not sure. These seem to be it, but I can't figure out how they go in there. So I'm going to bypass that and leave it for now, because with these you can always take it apart. And I'm going to be taking this apart anyways to do the lighting for it. So let's see, these go in here. Rocket booster goes in here. Let's do this the opposite way this time. Rocket booster, small part. And that goes in here. Right. And then these go in here. One there, one here. Alright, pretty good. Alright, next we're looking to do the cod piece area. So it looks like, let's see, this goes on top with the nose pointing down, just like that. And then this bottom part goes in. The dent going down towards the bottom. Okay, once that's done, we move on to the front skirt piece, and we're going to put these in here. These go on top, like that and like that. And this goes here. That goes in the front there. And lastly, this part goes in here. The legs will attach to this. Let me see if I've got one leg already built. And let's see if I get my leg here. No, this isn't completely done. I've decided to break this down so I can figure out how to run the wiring through this. So it's going to basically go through here. There's going to be an LED here. The wiring will run through the back of this. There'll be an LED here. There'll be one more here, maybe two. And then I've got to figure out how to get to the back and then light the section up here. And then once that is done, then I got to figure out how to make the break from here to the waist, so I can wire it that way as well. So that just snaps in there like that. The last thing we got to do is this clear part, and that goes this way, and that that goes on top of, let's see, that down. So it goes like that. But then I have to wait for the upper part to go in. So I have the upper torso. I'll assemble that next time. But for the next video, I'm going to be doing the legs, maybe the arms. I've got this video so far, about 5 minutes. So the other one's going to probably take about 10 minutes. This is a relatively short video because of just one part. There's more stuff that goes on here, and I'm trying to remember where it's at. There we go. This one. Oh, is that where those go then, maybe? Let's see. Yep, okay. That's where these go. So I've got to find the inserts that go in the bottom of these parts down here. There's 2 vents that go back there. So now that I found out this part, I'm going to go ahead and install this. That goes this way. I'm guessing. Yep. Okay. That's one of the hip parts here. Oops. Things are always a pain. Sometimes, there we go. Hip armor there. And do the other side. And that goes on this side. Come on. All right, snap that back in there. Awesome. All right, so that's the codpiece waist area thing. So as I said, I'll be doing the legs and the arms probably in one video. And that'll pretty much do it for that. And then we got all the stuff that's for the backpack that's got to be assembled as well. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell button thingy. As always, guys, do your thing. Thanks for watching.